The Alldocube iPlay 70 Mini Pro enters the compact tablet market as a compelling option for users seeking a blend of portability and performance. This 8.4-inch device packs a surprising punch, aiming to deliver a premium user experience in a form factor that's genuinely easy to carry anywhere. Let's explore its top features.